Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, today we will do our next poem, that is The Raindrops by J.E. Brown. Okay, students? So, first I just recite the poem. You also recite with me, and then I will explain you. So, I am just going to start. Let's start with me. Oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain? Peter patter, down the window pane. They won't let me walk, they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Then say I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. Okay, students, this is a poem, The Raindrops. So, children, in this poem, you can see that he is a boy like you, child. So, what happened? In this poem, he is a speaker. So, the speaker, a young child, is stuck inside the house on a rainy day. So, what's happened with him? The child has been naughty, so the parents have taken away all the toys. The child is feeling bored and has nothing else to do. So he wants to play with the rain falling on the window pane. So, children, in this poem, you can see the picture of a child watching a raindrops trickling down window pane and asking them where they have come from. Means आप rain कहाँ से आती है? He complains to rain that little drops of rain, where from you come? And Peter pattered the sound of rain down the window pane. Window pane means क्या होता है बेटी? Window pane means the flat glasses in a window like this. Okay? So इसमें window हमें दिख रही है but window अंदर नहीं आ रही है. So it is window pane. So he complains to rain that his parents will not let him go out to walk. Won't let me walk मतलब उसके पेरेंट्स उसको बाहर नहीं जाने दे रहे, and they won't let him play. So he again complains they won't let him walk and play in the rain. So they have also taken away his balls or bricks because he has broken his all the toys. So his parents just put away all the playthings. जो जो जिन जिन चीज़ों से वो खेलता था उसकी सारी चीज़ें ले ली एंड दे लॉक्ड अप और सारी चीज़ें लॉक कर दी एंड टुक अवे ऑल्सो उसकी बॉल और ब्रेक्स भी ले ली. His parents says he is very naughty boy, but he complains that he has nothing else to do but sit at the window pane and play with the rain. So in the last stanza you can see I am very naughty. So उसके पेरेंट्स ने बोला है कि वो बहुत नॉटी है and I have nothing else to do but sit here in the window. So he has no work in sitting except in sitting in the window pane and just see the raindrops. So I should like to play with you. So he said to raindrops that I should like to play with you. Okay, students? So here we have finished our poem, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, you just revise this video and recite this poem also. Thank you. Take care.